Hey, Adam. What are you doing here? Ow! What are you doing? Wait, ow! What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow! You wanna see how it feels? Huh? You wanna see how it feels? What are you doing? What are you doing? No! Adam! Adam! Find a way to get it off.
I don't know how.
Find a way to get it off.
KGB.
Fine. Text it. I don't care. By the way, you know that costs $1 every time, right?
What? Hey man, cheer up.
I hate you so much.
Now you don't.
Adam, I don't know if you realize this, but it is going to take a fucking miracle for you to be forgiven.
Well, you wanna know something?
What?
Something very deep? I believe in miracles. Where are you from?
You sexy thing, you.
I believe in miracles.
Since you come around, you sexy thing.
Stop.
I needed you so badly. How did you know I'd give my heart gladly?
Beautiful flowers. How'd you find these, Adam?
Well, I saw him when I was walking.
You know, Adam, I always thought you were kind of a mega douche. But now I guess I believe in miracles!
Are you a homosexual?
Where are you from?
Do you like penis?
You sexy thing!
You are gay.
I believe in miracles!
This day is horrible. I don't know why I like you. This was a mistake. You know, I know how to get this off.
What? How do you get it off, Adam? Oh, what about me? What are you doing? Adam? That looks like a bad idea. Oh! Oh, Adam! Oh God! Adam, what am I doing? What am I doing? Adam, this is on fire. Adam, what am I doing? Adam! Oh God, I'm gonna kill you. Stop laughing and help! Stop laughing and help! Ah, that makes it way worse! Ah! Adam, shut up. Adam, shut up.
Movies tomorrow?